Oh, everybody matters.
There we go. We have $1 million money.
$1 million money?
You pick whatever moon we go to. I don't care.
Ow.
Who wants to inverse teleport in?
What?
S+1!
Hey, Jackson. Jackson.
Here's the entrance. Hopefully it's not a Max Kirby.
Ooh.
What is this? Oh my god!
What?
Spike trap.
Zoinks! Mine.
Oh, I don't want to get dark. Freddy Fazbear's gonna get us.
Wee woo.
Wee woo. Wee woo.
Hey!
I got the lights on?
Yep.
Alright, nice. Keep moving.
Careful, there's a mine down there.
There's several.
Oh, careful, there's a spike trap there.
Ah! Spike trap!
Yeah, like I said.
Hey, David, I dare you to walk under it.
Yeah, don't walk under that.
Walk under it. Got it. Ooh, got a key.
Don't do that. No way.
Got a key.
If I do it really quick, can I get away with it?
Maybe, I don't know.
Yeah. What was that?
What was that?
I better go figure out.
I have his body right here, little bro.
There's nothing up here. He just died. He burst into flames randomly.
There you go.
It happens to the best of us.
I'll bring this back. Hey, give him back. Give him back. Give him back. I don't trust you.
Wait, how do I drop it?
G, I think.
G.
Skill issue.
See if you can throw him over the edge here. It'd be funny.
Oh, okay, yeah.
No, wait, up here. This is where it's the highest. Geronimo.
No way, cash register!
What?
Cash register.
Money!
No, this is not happening. I guess that everyone else is dead, aren't they? Good evening. Ah! 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 What?
Let's go!
So what are those robots, anyway?
Can we teleport?
I don't know.
I'll tell you, if you get in the inverse teleporter, I'll teleport you.
They're called, oh, like
The yellow one or the black one?
Yellow one.
Wait, don't go yet, don't go yet, don't go yet. Don't
Is
yet,
the
don't
inverse
yet, don't yet,
teleporter-
Don't yet, don't.
Oh yeah, we need to get the flashlights.
Don't start the flashlights? Oh, wait, no, they won't even work with the inverse teleport. So if you're going to the inverse, just go in anyway. Here, I'll send you. Good luck.
Bye! Oh. Oh man! Fire exit. Skitty! Skitty! Hello? Hello? Hello?
What?
Hello? I'm up. I'm up.
Ah,
Hello?
I lived. Oh, lucky. You're protecting me from the creatures of the dark.
Gold bar!
Yo, old phone.
Big bolt. Big bolt. I'm carrying 96 pounds.
This is the gold.
Find a fuse box anywhere?
Oh, look, a key.
In front of a
There's
locked door.
I need to unlock right here. That was utterly useless. Well, oh, there's a lot of things. Oh my god. Lamp of locomotion. Oh, nice. Okay, magnifying glass is worth more than that. Wait. No, magnifying
Hello, 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 I can hear you.
Grab the magnifying glass, Ducky.
Hello, hello.
For magnifying glass.
I think you might be below us or above us.
Alright. Let's go this way. We gotta find a way out.
Wait for me, I'm carrying 124 pounds of
I
metal
got 47.
and pickles.
I got 47.
David's somewhere. David, if you can hear us, say something. Wait for me.
I'm just walking.
You see how slow I'm moving?
Hopefully the stinking robots don't murder you.
The thing activated and it killed
Look
a
at
forest.
these. There hasn't been any enemies.
Ghost girl, maybe?
It's all. So, you saw a ghost girl?
No. I was just making a suggestion. Like, maybe that's it.
Don't give the game ideas. That's what it wants. Why is there like nothing here? It's eerie.
I hear things.
Inside, inside.
I can't! I hate this.
Oh, this was a mistake.
Ooga booga do. Okay, since we're about to leave. Hi, robot! Hi, robot! Robot!
Robots!
Does anything wake these guys up?
I have an idea. Grab the yield sign. Wake up! Wake up! Wake up!
I was
Wake up.
expecting it to
Wake
turn
up.
on and kill you
Wake up.
immediately.
Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up!
Wake up! Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up!
You don't scare me!
They scare me!
You don't know you came out of your
I wonder if they come alive if they fight each other. That'd be
Where's
fun.
Siri? I don't like it.
Do it. But are you scared?
What?
But are you scared? Hey!
I'm going with the weapon. Don't call me scared.
Okay, I won't. You're very brave. You should take turns running out there going ooga booga booga booga. Whoever dies last has
I
to...
wish there were more combat options, so if my only reaction was...
Hey! Stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it. One of them is moving!
I'll fight it.
Go out there fighting! Come on!
It's on the hill! It's on the hill! It's on the hill! It's on the hill! It's fighting!
Oh, it's fighting the dog! That's so cool. Oh, there's a closer one! One's closer! It's gonna kill us! It's gonna kill us!
Jackson, we gotta get out of here!
It's on the ship! It's on the ship! It's on the ship!
Go, 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 go!
Go, Power Rangers!
What? Screw you! Oh my god! Why do they have rocket fists?
This planet is devoid of biological life. I wonder why. Are we
Yeah,
just
we
gonna
met
meet
quota.
quota or sell everything?
Hey, by the way, whenever you jump with a bunny suit, it makes a boing noise.
It does.
Alright, they should be arriving soon.
What'd you buy?
Nothing.
Wow, I sure hope nothing lands on me.
Oh no! Sure hope nothing bad happens.
Oh no.
Man, I sure hope no one jumps into the waters below.
David already did that. Oh.
Boys! Garbage.
Oh, I don't know how this works. Let's go get
Oh,
him.
wait.
Who cares if we die and lose all our stuff?
Where'd Jackson go?
I don't know. Remember, if you use it too much, it will explode.
Yeah, but it doesn't let me take off at all.
Dr. Vold is somewhere in the void. He died.
Hey guys!
Hey guys!
Oh,
Just fly over. Just fly all the way over. Don't ram into a wall at Mach speed. You will get brain damage. Don't ram into a wall at Mach speed.
Ram into a wall at Mach speed. Got it.
down.
Oh no!
Oh,
I wonder
no.
what happens. I got that on clip, Claire. I got that on clip. for a shot, but the spray paint does.
Can I see it?
So you're getting spray paint.
No, no!
My hands are purple now. No. Are you spray painting the robots? Yes. We got a new toy!
Yippee!
Wait, I'm gonna go visit that guy tomorrow.
Ow. 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 I did it!
I'm the king of the man. Look how many on that hill over there. I wanna go visit them. Come
Yeah.
on.
Go get him.
I made it. Come on up. Come on
I'm
up,
critical
Claire.
injured.
Are you like this?
We should stay up here and see if they kill us. Oh. Oh, there it is. Okay. Hello. Hello, kind sir. Ah! Ah! I'm being bombed.